Manual data processing is one of the biggest challenges preventing the garment industry from realizing total production value. Introducing the LTproduction system, a comprehensive track and trace system optimized for the apparel industry. Get real-time work-in-progress visibility into your entire operation from end to end. Plus, the flexibility to manage and schedule your POs to maximize output. By enabling checkpoints at every production process and predicting where bottlenecks might occur, LTproduction helps avoid supply shortages, losses, delays, and undershipments. The LTproduction system eliminates manual data entry across your entire operation, accurately capturing and updating the status of orders, materials, and finished goods from supply handover to completing a PO. Filter and compare factories and subcontractors based on their output and accuracy. Execute root cause analysis to identify problem areas and take proactive actions to streamline workflows and boost production efficiency. Uncover hidden production value by digitizing your garment factory with LTproduction. Schedule a free demo today.